Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make aloe vera oil. So at this point, you've probably seen my aloe vera pre-poo video. If not, I will have it linked in the description box down below. So in that video, I showed you that I saved the skin of the aloe, and here I am showing you what I do with the skin of the aloe. So I dice this up into sections and I make aloe vera oil. So first we'll start with some extra virgin olive oil. I do not measure this out, I just add it to the pot. Then I'll take some coconut oil and I will add that to the pot as well. Sometimes I use 1 spoon, sometimes I use 2. In this video, I will show you that I've used 2 spoons of coconut oil, and then I let that melt. This will be, I'm doing this at low heat. So I just let it sit there and then I will add the aloe to this. Here's the aloe, we're adding it in, and some of this is just the skin. Sometimes I'll use actual pieces of aloe and I will make aloe vera oil out of that as well. So just mix it all in and let it sit until the aloe turns like a light brown color. Not sure if you can see the actual pieces of aloe, like that jelly kind of piece towards the right. You'll notice those are some pieces of aloe along with aloe skin. Then I will add some fennel. So fennel is really good for hair breakage, if your hair is just falling out, if your scalp is itchy, for dandruff. If you want a video on just the properties of aloe, fennel, let me know in the comment section down below. So yes, here I am just mixing it all in, and always remember to be safe. I know there was a part in this video where I touched the pot. If your pot is really hot, do not touch it. Please be safe and use caution. So here's the aloe. As you can see, it's brown. So for me, that means that it is done. So it's time for me to take it out. And what I do is I just sift the oil through. So I'll just take a strainer and I'll just get all the oils out. Sometimes I'll let that aloe just sit there so that all the oils from the aloe, from the fennel, can just drain into a bowl. And then what I do is I just take some smaller travel size bottles. I got this one from the dollar store, so a pack of 3 for $1. And I just add my oil using a funnel into the bottle. Here you'll notice that I have my aloe pre-poo in one bowl and I have some rice water in the back. And why these are all here is because I do all of these in one day. So I'm just taking that oil that I just strained and I'm just gonna add it to the bottle. If you don't want to add it to a bottle because you feel like it's gonna solidify because of the coconut oil, that has not happened to me, but if you feel like it may happen, it's perfectly okay if you just add it to a bowl. You can actually whip it up. You can put it in the freezer and whip it up if you want to do that. But I put it in a bottle here and then I'll show you it in a bowl. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Like I said, if you would like a video on the properties from the aloe or the fennel, let me know in the comment section down below. Please remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Also, remember to subscribe down below. See you in the next video.